Lovato's ADXL series soft starters allow for control of the start and stop of three-phase asynchronous motors on two phases with integrated bypass. The ADXL range is rated 600 volts AC for motors up to 300 horsepower, 250 horsepower at 460 volts. This series is equipped with a backlit LCD display featuring icons and built-in NFC technology, enabling simple configuration from smartphone and tablet devices. ADXL is designed to be ideal for simple plug-and-play applications, thanks to its installation wizard, but it is equally powerful in high-performance applications which may need functions such as control and protection during motor startup and operation. Also included are protection features for both the soft starter and the motor, and specific alarms can be configured to signal maintenance needs, including the number of startups performed or the operation hours of the motor. Electronic thermal overload protection is included and selectable. Thermal power dissipation is improved thanks to two-phase control during motor starting and stopping, combined with torque control during operation. The torque control feature allows for gradual acceleration and deceleration, resulting in a significant reduction of wear and failures in power transmission devices. Additional features include support for 6 different languages, password protection, torque control, voltage ramp startup, kickstart, emergency start, a built-in bypass relay, conformal coated PCBs, an optical port for programming, data download and diagnostics, and support for Modbus ASC2, Modbus RTU, and Modbus TCP communication protocols. You can view our full selection of Lovato products and more at Galco.com.